Every restaurateur knows the struggle. Regularly cleaning frying oil is tedious and time-consuming. But what if there was a simpler, more efficient, and more hygienic solution? Hello, I'm Lorena Schmidt, and I'm excited to introduce you to the VITO X-Series oil filters. Your solution for clean frying oil and more efficient operations in large kitchens. The VITO XM makes oil cleaning a breeze. With the push of a button, it suctions the used, hot oil directly from the fryer or deep frying pan, thoroughly removing suspended solids and other particles. The cleaned oil is collected in the tank, which not only serves for storage, but also makes transport easier. As you can see, the vacuum filtration collects all particles dry in the filter, making disposal easy. With filtration, you can save up to 50% on oil costs while ensuring the optimal quality of your products. After the cleaning, the oil can either be pumped back for reuse or directly disposed of, if necessary. And the best part? With VITOconnect, you can keep track of everything. You can access productivity data and analytics online anytime. Over 50,000 customers already benefit from VITO technology. Choose the smart way to take care of your frying oil.